Today, isukunin na namin yung work permit refund na 5,000 baht. O diba? May refund kami sa work permit dito. Work permit at visa. 3,100 baht sa labor. Tapos 1,900 sa immigration. O diba pa? Laban si Teacher Maria. Go! Umuulan, day. Teacher, 15,000 baht, right?
100 baht.
I want 10,000.
Miss Junior.
Yes, Miss. Miss Junior. Okay, teacher, arigato gozaimasu.
Teacher, can I?
Okay, may work permit refund na 5,000 baht. Sarap day pag may pera na naman. Charis. May pera 5,000 baht lang.